Everybody, thank you so much for watching Mickel E. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox the video capture. So stay tuned. I'm out. Today we're gonna do an unboxing video. So about a video capture. So if you love doing live stream, it's on the Facebook, YouTube. So there's different platforms you can do live stream right now. So which is great, but you need a device in order to have a clear, in order to connect, to make sure that everything goes well. You know what I mean? If you, let's say you have a camera, a DSLR or mirrorless, so you'll need a connector to your laptop, and that can connect to your camera. So in this case, I bought a brand new video capture from Amazon. So now we're gonna unbox the video capture of in this video. So let's watch it. Ooh, that was easy to open. Ooh, video capture from Amazon. So, which is this device, it doesn't cost that much because there's other you can use, and they are so expensive, like $180. Like Elgato, Camlink. There's a bunch of different ones, but Elgato, Camlink is the most common one. But this one did the same work as Elgato and Camlink. Why spend that much money on them? So, and this one's cost about for about $28. So on Amazon, so which is a great item you can use to connect your laptop and also your camera. So I'm gonna open it now. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna open it now. So let me see. Okay. Ooh, okay. I think this is the book for it. Yeah. I think they'll show you like different stuff. And this is what you need to connect from to your laptop. This part over here. Okay. And this part, this is the important thing. It's like looks like a flash drive, right? So this is the video capture. So it's a great item. So I'll put the picture over there so that you can use, you know what I mean? You connect your HDMI right here, right? And then you use this, right? Connect over here. Then you connect that part to your laptop. This is then when that part went to your laptop, right? That part. Then you use a HDMI to connect to your camera, which is a great item. So I love it. It's not expensive. It did the same job as any other item out there like Camlink and Elgato. So guys, you definitely need to buy this one because it will help you in the long run. Because if you have a DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you wanna have like a nice live stream and where the where you can see the camera so clear, so crystal clear. Hey, so this one is the one to buy. So by the way, I'm not sponsored by this, but I found it on Amazon and I bought it. So I haven't tried so far, but I think it's a great one because not only is it's a good price, but also it did any job from any other item out there like Elgato and Camlink. So if you wanna because those are the most popular one. So if you wanna buy this one, you can buy it on Amazon. Just type video capture, and then you're able to find it. So this is what's good about that one. What's good about that one is that when you do a live stream and using your camera, so the live stream will be so nice. So it's important to buy it, okay? And then if you have any other suggestion, maybe you think it's better than this one, just let me know. Comment below, like this video, and also subscribe to my channel. Because when you subscribe to my channel, you know what happened? You'll help me, and I'll help you as well. I believe in that. So you got to buy this one, guys, if you wanna do a live stream with your camera. And then yes, it's pretty, as you can see, the material is very solid. So, and then it's not plastic. Yeah, it's not plastic, so it's a real thing. You see there's a sticker over here, so it's not plastic, which is good. So this is the input for the HDMI, and I use this one to connect on your laptop. Once you do it, so the more you do it, you know what's gonna happen. It will show you. You go to your computer. If you can use different platforms to do live stream now, because there's StreamYard, there is OBS. There's two OBS actually. There's OBS StreamYard too. So, but there's OBS, and then you can when you plug it, it will say USB video. So then when you go to the video capture, you choose the camera you want to use. You will say USB video. Then it will work. So, oh, I know that. Oh, I watch a video before I buy that one because I want to make sure that it's a great product. Yes, guys, if you want to do a live stream, this is it. Don't be afraid, just buy it. So, because when you're doing your live stream and you see everybody can see you so clear because you're using your DSLR or your mirrorless camera, trust me, you will not regret it. Yes, this is all I have for you for this video. Thank you so much for watching Mickel E. And don't forget, subscribe down below, okay? When you subscribe to me, I'll make sure I also subscribe back to you. So I believe in that. Let me know in the comment below. Just say I level up. So I believe in that. Just tell me, hey, I level up with you. So please do the same, and I'll do it as well. So, and then like, comment, tell me, so if you have any question, any suggestion. So if you have any question about live streams, so other product out there that you want to know, do some live stream with, and if you want to know how to do live stream as well, so I can do a video about that. So that will help you in the long run. So make sure you subscribe to this video, and then don't forget, comment down below, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching Mickel E, and thank you for watching me. Guess what? I'm out.